Look at me! I went grocery shopping! I am totally adulting! But I might need a few more kitchen accessories. Don't worry, Gabby. I have a few ideas. Let's make some kitchen accessories for the dollhouse. I start by taking recycled paperboard, cut it down the side to open it flat. Cut 1-inch strips. Cut each strip into 1.5-inch rectangles. After cutting several, stack them together. Then take 3 out of the center. Draw 2 rectangles at the top. Cut them out. Repeat on the other 2 so that when they are stacked together and placed in the middle, you have 2 small cavities. Use a ruler to draw an angle across the bottom. Cut on the line drawn. Use it as a guide to cut the others. After everything's been cut, stack and glue them together, making sure those cutouts are in the center. Paint the top black. Glue scrapbook paper around the sides. Trim off the excess. Draw knives on leftover paperboard. Cut them out. Trace the handle onto paperboard. Cut 2 handles for each knife. I paint the blades silver and the handles black. Glue on the handles. Paint on a few details. Add a layer of clear polish. Cut more rectangles of paperboard. This is 1 3/4 by 1.5. Stack and glue them together. Cover it with scrapbook paper to make a cutting board, knives, and a knife block. And we can place the knives in the knife block. Cut rectangles of paperboard that are 1 1/4 by 1.5. Stack and glue several together. Cover with paper. Cut a strip of metallic paper and glue it onto the front. Use stickers for buttons and knobs. Cut a circle of metallic paper and glue it on top. Unfold a paper clip. Bend it to make a spiral. Unfold a silver paper clip and make a Y. Trim off the excess. Glue the silver paper clip and the swirl on top to make a hot plate. Roll thin strips of white paper around a toothpick to make a disc. Take a wider piece of paper and glue it around the edge. I made 3 different sizes. Paint them. I'm using a dark gray acrylic paint. Then brushed it with a little silver. Bend a paper clip into a handle. Glue it onto the paper. Add a layer of clear nail polish and allow it to dry to make pots for the hot plate. Roll more strips of paper to make more disc. Use a bead to shape the disc into a bowl. Paint the outside with a colored nail polish to make mixing bowls. Cut skinny sticks to make 1.5-inch pieces. Place 4 in a row, then glue more skinny sticks standing straight up across the top. I started with the front and back first, then the middle, then 2 on each side to make a shelf. Unfold a paper clip, bend it to make an S hook. Put them through the popsicle sticks and latch onto one of the beams to make a pot rack. Glue it to the wall in the dollhouse. Glue cut skinny sticks underneath for support, giving us a little kitchen organization. So now Gabby's apartment has a pot rack, pots, mixing bowls, a hot plate, a set of knives, and a cutting board, adding a little more detail to our space. Thank you for joining us while we made some kitchen accessories. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
We want to give a shout out to Brighter Barbie. What's up? It looks like my work here is done. Don't be afraid to call me if you need anything. Well, there is one thing. Could you cook dinner? No. I'm a crafter, not a cook.